Assalamu alaikum, I'm Kudila. So today I'm gonna cook the Dubai chocolate. Yay! And the ingredients is this is pistachio. This is pistachio too. Actually, I forgotten to bought already, and I bought the 2 pistachio pastes. I don't know which is better. I'm gonna try that. This is more like smooth and creamy. This is I feel like nuts, you know, a little bit crunch more than. This is from the Dean and Delica. This one is Seijo Ishi. I bought it. Should be mixed together. I think it's better, like half and half. This is butter. This is glitter. This is chocolate. And this one is kunafa. I bought it on Amazon. And this is chocolate pen. Ta-da! Pink and white. Alright, let's get started. At the first, glitter. Put this one. The pink one. Alright, and I go to the freezer. Next is I'm gonna cut the butter. And I put it here. Kunafa! And I'm gonna cut this one. How can I open that? Oh. Again. Wow, very soft. Look this. I never used this one before. Oh. How many? I need it. Oh, I feel excited. Oh. Too much? I don't know. Oh. Oh. Okay, that's I think. And then I think that a little bit more. I don't know what's the correct way. It's very new things to do. And then I don't know. Cut it like this. Okay, and then put here. Oh, look at this! A little bit burning already. Oh, see, ta-da! Let's shoot it like a, how can I say, fried it until like a color gonna be brown. I should do that. Oh, wow, too burning, I think. I'm gonna bring the chopstick. The color changes already, like it's gonna be brown more. I think that I should cook more. The flavor is so nice. I don't know, this is what made by maybe wheat or flour wheat. I don't know. So good smell, like butter and the flour makes the flavor. I think like a lot, fried a lot, it's gonna be good flavor more, I feel. a little bit burn it. I think they're enough. Okay. And I put here. Ooh, too much. Oh. I drop it. Ah. Okay. And I want to mix this one. You know, I bought it already too. I think that's a good idea. Ooh. Oh. I added too much. Actually, I don't know how much I should add it. Okay. Whoa. I'm gonna add everything actually. It's not enough, you know. I checked out the SNS and how to make it, and I added it. Like they use the one, like a bin of the pistachio. I don't know. They use too much, you know. Whoa, a lot. Totally, I use the 2 bin of the pistachio paste. Too much? I don't know. And then, oh, that looks so nice. I think. Yeah. Very strong pistachio flavor. That looks so nice. It's awesome. Look at this. Ta-da! Yeah. It's gonna be work. You know, I used already 2 bin of the pistachio paste, and it's gonna be like this. You know, it's gonna be best condition. Oh, so nice! It's a real Dubai chocolate. Woo! I cannot wait it. This is the chocolate. Woo! Japanese content. Huh. Much better. I'm gonna put this chocolate to the microwave. Ta-da! Is that correct? I go to the freezer. Ta-da! I did it! A little bit covered. It's okay. I'm gonna take off it. Ooh. Oh, easy. Wow. It's gonna work. Yes. Ooh. Wee. It's so artistic. Right. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, inside. I'm gonna try to eat it. So yum, but too sweet. We use the milk chocolate, but should use the bitter chocolate. Too sweet. Thank you for watching my channel. Until now, it was very excited and it's not very difficult. So you guys can try it. So please subscribe my channel and please check my YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and X. Alright, see you later. Bye.